Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayuda Sucita, NPM 24411-026, Class Management 24D from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Here, I will discuss the negative and positive impact of social media for students. Social media has become an integral part of everyday life, especially for students. With easy access and various features offered, social media not only function as a communication tool, but also as a means of learning, entertainment, and self-development. However, the use of social media also brings various impacts, both positive and negative, especially in the social life of students. Therefore, it is important to understand how social media affects students' social interaction, behavior, and well-being. Positive impact of social media in student social life. 1. Expanding social network and relationship. Social media allows students to build and expand social network widely, not limited by time and space. With platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, students can interact with classmates, alumni, lecturers, and professional and academic communities around the world. This opens up opportunities for collaboration, discussion, and information exchange that are beneficial for personal and career development. 2. Information source and learning media. Social media has become a fast and easily accessible source of information. Many lectures, universities, and educational institutions utilizes social media to disseminate learning materials, announcements, and online seminars. Students can also join discussion groups, learning forums, and follow educational accounts that help them understand course material and broaden their horizon. 3. Exchange creativity and self-expression. Through social media, students can express their ideas at work, writing, and other creativity. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and blog allows them to share content that can inspire others while honing their communication and technology skills. Social media is also a space to voice aspiration and opinions freely, which is important in creator and character building and self-confidence. Confidence. 4. Else communication and collaboration. In an academic context, social media makes it easier for students to communicate and collaborate on group assessment or research projects. Chat application, video calls, and project management platform allow for effective coordination without having to meet in person, making it more efficient and flexible. 5. Motivation and social support. Students can find communities that share similar interests and goals, such as sports, arts, or entrepreneurship communities. Support and motivation from this community can increase the spirit of learning and reduce loneliness, especially for students who are far from family. Negative impact of social media on student social life. First, dependency and education. One of the most common one of the most common negative impact is social media education. Students who spend too much time on social media can lose control, disrupting their daily activities, including study and rest time. This education can also lead to stress and anxiety if not managed properly. 2. Impaired concentration and productivity. Social media is often a distraction that disrupts students' focus on completing academic tasks. Constant notification and engaging, engaging content make it difficult for students to concentrate, thus reducing productivity and learning quality. 3. Spreading hoaxes and negative information. Social media is also a hotbed for spreading fake news, or hoax, hate speech, and other negative content. Students who are less critical in filtering information can be affected by misleading news, which has the potential to damage their views and social attitudes. 4. Decreases quality face-to-face social interaction. Relation on online communication can reduce student ability to interact in person. This can lead to a decline in social skills such as empathy, body language, and the ability to communicate effectively face to face. 5. Privacy and data security risks. Careless use of social media can expose students to risks of privacy and data security breaches. Widespread information can be misused by irresponsible parties, resulting in a negative impact on personal reputation and security. 6. Negative effect on mental health. Exposure, exposure to unhealthy content, cyberbullying, and pressure to look perfect on social media can cause stress, anxiety, and depression in college students. This adversely affects their psychological well-being. How to manage social media use wisely. In order to minimize the negative impact of social media and maximize the positive impacts, students need to implement the following strategies. 1. Organize the time to use social media by making a special schedule so as not to interfere with study and rest time. 2. Choose positive and educative content and avoid negative or stressful content. 3. Develop digital literacy to be able to filter information and recognize fake news. Prioritize face-to-face communication in social interaction to keep social skills safe. 5. Protect privacy with account security setting and be careful in sharing personal information. 6. Seek support if experiencing psychological distress due to social media, such as consulting with campus counselors or mental health professionals. Conclusion: social media has a huge role in the social life of students, with various advantages such as expanding networks, facilitating access to information, and exchanging creativity. Social media can be a very useful tool in supporting student academic and social life. However, negative impacts such as education, distraction, spreading hoaxes, and mental health risks cannot be ignored. Therefore, the use of social media must be done wisely and balanced so that students can feel the benefit without being trapped in the adverse effect that may arise. That's all the discussion about the positive and negative impact of social media for students. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.